Welcome, I am your virtual buddy. Let me introduce myself briefly. I would act as your virtual personal assistant and can have meaningful conversations in helping you with your billing queries, payments, product purchase, purchasing accessories, raise a trouble ticket, troubleshoot broadband, internet issue, etc. I can also help you with real-time video streaming of product and accessories videos, troubleshooting DIY videos, connect you to our live agent and can do other things that other voice bots cannot do like weather reporting, Google search, and be humorous, etc. I see that you are a new user. Please appear in front of your camera to set up with image recognition authorization.
Hello. I am your buddy, a virtual voice assistant. May I know your name, please?
Vishal.
Hello, Vishal. How are you today?
I am fine. How are you?
Doing great, thanks.
Please perform a web search for me.
Okay, what you want to search on web?
TCS CEO.
Performing web search for TCS CEO. According to Wikipedia, Rajesh Gopinathan is the CEO and Managing Director of Tata Consultancy Services, a global IT firm. He was elevated to the role of Chief Executive in February 2017 after serving as the Chief Financial Officer since 2013. Born in 1971, Rajesh is one. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you.
It's my pleasure to help.
I am feeling happy.
That's good. Would you like to shop?
Yeah, I want to do shopping.
So, do you want to buy something?
I want to buy a mobile phone.
Great, you want to buy mobile phones. Please choose which OS you love. An Android or iOS?
Show me Android.
Okay, Android it is. So you want to look for trending or latest phone. You can also choose by brand name.
Show me trending phones.
Okay, today's trending Android mobile phone is Poco F2. Do you want to know its specification?
Yes, tell me its specification.
Specification of your phone is: this smartphone was launched in May 2020. The phone comes with an in-screen fingerprint sensor and a 6.67-inch AMOLED full touchscreen display with a full HD resolution. It is powered by a 2.84 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. It is powered by a 4700 mAh non-removable battery. As far as the cameras are concerned, it has a 20 megapixel pop-up camera on the front for selfies and the rear packs a 64 megapixel quad camera. This product will cost you $400. Do you want to go with this product?
Yes, I want to buy this product.
Great. You have selected a quality product. We have something more for you, a package of voice, internet, etc. just for you along with your phone. Do you want to go for combo?
Yes, go for combo.
Awesome, we have chosen a package for you. This package has 2000 min/month voice calls, 2 GB/day internet, and unlimited music plan. It will cost you $50 a month. Is this package selected?
Yes, package selected.
Great. Your product and package are all set up. What will be the mode of payment?
I will pay by card.
Okay, good choice. Your payment detail will be safe and secured. Now please provide your card information to proceed. Please provide your card number.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3.
Please provide your card's expiry month and year.
October 2022.
Please provide your card's CVV number from back of the card.
932.
Thanks for the information. The amount has been deducted from your card. Do you want to buy something else? How are you feeling now?
No. Help me raise a ticket.
Tell me the reason of raising ticket.
Troubled by slow internet.
Okay, I got you, dear. I am raising a ticket for your concern. For future reference, your ticket number is 873-9281. You can check status of your ticket anytime.
It's weird.
I know, right?
Yeah, I am feeling sad.
What's happened? Can I help you?
Why not?
So, what's troubling you?
I am having issue in my internet.
Do you need help with broadband installation, troubleshooting or slow internet?
First help me with broadband installation.
Here is the video guide for broadband installation.
How easy is it to self-install internet? This is Justin, a Fios tech. He's going to show you. Self-installation is super easy and should only take you about 30 minutes. For the best signal, place the router in a central location, then plug in the power cord, the coax cable, and the Ethernet cord. Wait for the lights, green in back, white in front, and you can now connect your devices to the internet using an Ethernet cable or wirelessly. Finally, to activate your Verizon account, go to the My Fios app or our website, verizon.com. It only takes a few minutes.
As you can see, for broadband installation we have to follow these steps. Is internet working fine now?
No, I am having slow internet.
Okay, let me check our internet connectivity in your area. Please wait. We are getting signal from your area, so internet is working fine. Let's do some troubleshooting. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do some troubleshooting.
First, please reboot your router for once and see everything works fine or not.
No, not at all.
Let's do these steps. Please tell me your router brand.
ABC.
Please tell me model number also.
1 2 3.
Is this your router? Please confirm.
Yes, this is my router.
Okay, please check for the lights, green in back and 2 white lights in front. Is lights blinking fine?
Yes, lights blinking fine.
Great, now go to Verizon router user portal and check whether you logged in or not.
I am logged in into Verizon user portal.
Okay, now check whether your internet is working fine or not.
No.
Do you want me to connect you with our live agent?
Yes, please connect me with a live agent.
Starting video call with live agent.
So here user can directly communicate with the live agent, resolve its issue regarding the broadband router, or even can help to exchange the router either on the store or at home. So after that the issue is resolved, the video will stop and it.
So, you want to exchange router in our store or want us to ship your router to your registered address?
I want to exchange router at your store.
We have sent the store address and driving direction to your phone. The open time of our store is 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. Please come in between time any day. Your ticket number for future reference is 123-589-7460.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Please provide your feedback as rating between 1 to 5, as 1 being the lowest and 5 being the highest for the service provided to you by me.
I will rate you 5.
Thank you so much. You can connect anytime for help as I am available 24*7. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I am feeling okay. So can you check the status of my ticket?
Status of your ticket number 873-9281 is under process and soon will be resolved.
Please tell me the bill amount of this month.
This month bill is 456 rupee. Your bill generate on 15th of every month.
Thank you so much. Please stop this thing.
Okay, bye. Maintain social distancing and be safe. Welcome back. Please place your face in front of camera to initialize facial recognition. Hello Vishal, how are you today?
I am fine. How are you?
Feeling wonderful.
Please perform a web search for me.
Okay, what you want to search on web?
Weather in New Delhi.
Performing web search for weather in New Delhi. It's 35 degrees Celsius with haze in New Delhi on Saturday 12 p.m. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, I am feeling happy.
That's good. Would you like to shop?
Yes, I want to shop.
So, do you want to buy something?
I want to buy mobile accessories.
You are looking for mobile accessories. We have a pack of a 33-watt charger, USB-C type earphones, classy back cover, and a tempered glass. Do you want to buy these for your Poco F2 Pro phone?
Yes.
Great. You got an amazing deal and these will cost you $70 only. What will be the mode of payment?
I will pay by cash.
Please pay the amount on the counter. I have sent your package info there. Do you want to buy any other product as we have newly arrived Bluetooth speaker? Want to check?
No.
How are you feeling now?
No, thank you.
I understand.
Please tell me a joke.
The difference between a good joke and a bad joke is timing.
Okay, another one?
Here's one. What did the snail say while sitting on the turtle? Wee.
That's nice. Who are you?
I'm a virtual being, not a real person.
Okay, please stop this thing.
Okay, bye. Maintain social distancing and be safe.